Good morning, friend. This is Eddie again. Today, I got 2019 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel with Cummins engine, 6.7 liter Cummins engine. Okay, in this case, this car, they show on the dash the message say 5 miles per hour in 24 miles. They say in 24 miles the car gonna be a limp mode. It can drive it over the 5 miles per hour. Okay, before the car get in the limp mode, there's what I try to fix it. Okay, look the message on the dash. Say 5 miles per hour in 24 miles. Okay, before get in limp mode, we try to fix it because it's different before and after. Okay, first thing I will show you where is located the problem, but after that I will just show you the scanner because I put the scanner for see what is the problem. They show the meshes on the dashboard. This is how we put the scanner. Okay, this one I got a save report. We see the 2019 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. Okay, we go into the save report. Okay, he say the DTC P202E reductant injector circuit bank 1 said the circuit they got short because they say they don't send the right bolts. But the thing is, when the injector or the reductant injector make a ground or they got short inside, is what they got some bad bolts. Okay, and this how we see in this scanner, check with the steps for fixing this problem. Reductant injector, circuit range, performance 1, bank 1. Okay, gonna be a push it P202E and see what is the problem. Okay, this is gonna be see the details on the one confirm code. Okay, this is the location, the diesel exhaust fluid injector is located on the exhaust pipe under the truck on the selective catalytic filter. Is got one plug on the top side, and in the sides they got one electric plug, one connector, and then fluid plug. Okay, we remove is just located for couple bolts, the 10mm bolt, screw it up on the selective catalytic DEF particular filters. So we unplug it and take the fluid line and put some anti-rush on the bolts and remove these 10mm bolts and take off to show you. Okay, finally I got the diesel exhaust fluid injector, or DEF injector. They got part number. They show the gasket is complete, go out. They show like a shore. Okay. We'll go by the part to the dealership because I can find aftermarket this part. You can find in any store like AutoZone or Rallies, just only the dealership. Okay, I got brand new Mopar part diesel exhaust fluid injector. So I will show you how it's coming in the box. Okay, I got one hand on the phone, another hand on the bag. Little bit complicated for pull it faster, but I will. Okay, I got brand new. Look at that. This is the part the seal. It's very important because the seal is the fluid don't come out and the exhaust too is not come out. Okay, it's the same part number. It's made for Mopar, original part. Okay, we started put it back, but before they come for some removal and installations steps. I will show you some bulletin. The bulletin about removal and installations. Okay, this is 2019 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel with 6.7 liter Cummins engine. They got problems on the dash meshes. It say 5 miles per hour and 24 miles. Okay, I put the scanner, show reductant injector need replace. Okay, this is the steps for removal and installation. Okay, the first thing you say disconnected the battery negative cable. disconnected the diesel exhaust fluid injector wire, the harness connector. We see disconnect the DEF fluid supply. So the fluid supply is the line goes to the DEF to the injector. Disconnected. In the picture, they got number 1, number 2. Number 1 is the fluid supply line. The second, number 2 is the injector wire. Okay, next step. Next step say be careful before remove the 2 bolts they keep the injector on the exhaust. Put some in the nuts, some anti-rust for 5 minutes, and then remove the 2 nuts from the selective catalytic reduction is SCR, selective catalytic reduction. So this is the name that before the exhaust fumes come outside, pass for the selective catalytic reduction. Okay, this is the part. Clean the gasket sealing area. So after remove the injector, say clean the gasket sealing area and install a new gasket. In this case, the new gasket coming with the DEF injector. Okay, another step, number 4. Okay, this is the area. This needs to be cleaned before put a new injector, because it's the area donde the sealing when you put the new injector on the selective catalytic reduction. Okay. Another step is number 4, install the DEF injector on to selective catalytic reduction, and tighten the nuts to the property specifications. Okay. Yeah, this step is you put the DEF injector on the selective catalytic reduction, put the nuts and tight. And then another step, the number 5 step. Number 5 step is okay, this one is the number 5 step. Number 5 and number 6 is 7. Number 5, he say, connect the DEF fluid supply line. So the supply line, DEF supply line connected. Después, number 6, step number 6 is connect the DEF injector wire harness connector. O sea que the wire harness connector is the step number 6. And finally, the step number 7, connect the negative battery cable. So the last step is connect the negative battery cable. Okay, after these 7 steps, here, don't say any electronic adjustment, just that the computer find the new injector and work properly. This is the sign on the dash. After that, you continue driving. When they get 0 miles, back to 0. So no show no more the sign on the dashboard, because it started work properly. Okay, I will show you where it's located. When I put the new DEF injector or diesel exhaust fluid injector on the selective catalytic reduction. Okay, I will tight. Put the DEF supply line and connect the injector wire harness, and they got some insulations I put in the top side, because remember this is in the exhaust pipe. Okay, put the insulations, put the plug, checks is very complete tire, put the new DEF fluid on the tank, and good to go. What do you say here? Good to go, my friends.